Are you a beginner affiliate marketer looking to earn your first commissions within the next 24 hours? If you are, stick with me to the end of this video and I'll answer the 5 most important questions that you need answered. Because in this video right here, we're going to go over traffic domination and the OLSP Academy, how to earn daily commissions. Let's get to it. Okay, family, so we're back. Now, you may be asking yourself, what are those 5 questions that you need to have answered if you're a beginner affiliate marketer looking to earn an income from home? Well, first, let me start out by saying this. In this short video, we're going to talk about traffic domination and the OLSP Academy daily commissions, how you can earn them, and what's the best route to take. Now, let's go over the questions real quick. So number 1, what is the main goal of an affiliate marketer?